Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews on all things home improvement. Today, we're diving into a must-have for your bathroom. The 2PC's bathroom sink drain strainer hair catcher and pop-up sink drain stopper. If you're tired of dealing with clogged sinks and looking for the best small sink stopper out there, you're in the right place. This sink drain strainer combines functionality and convenience like no other. Here's why it stands out. First off, it's universally compatible, fitting most US standard sink drains with a diameter between 1 by 8 inch and 1 by 2 inch. Whether it's your bathroom sink, wash basin, or shower tub drain, this stopper has you covered. What sets this apart is its unique 2 inches 1 design. It combines a sink pop-up stopper with a built-in strainer, complete with a removable stainless steel filter basket. This innovation not only stops hair and debris but also makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted from high-quality thickened brass, this stopper is sturdy, rust-resistant, and built to last. Its robust design ensures rapid water drainage and a quick, reliable seal every time. Installing this sink drain strainer is a snap, no tools needed. Just replace your old stopper with this new one, and you're good to go. Plus, when it comes time to clean, simply remove the basket and give it a rinse. It's that easy. So there you have it, folks, the best small sink stopper you can get for your bathroom sink. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or looking to prevent future plumbing headaches, this product from Hrrtyueg delivers. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to get yours today. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews and product recommendations. See you next time.